alcohol is one of the oldest and most widely consumed psychoactive substances in human history. It has shaped rituals, communities, celebrations, and unfortunately, disease. But behind every sip lies a complex biochemical story, one that unfolds inside the liver, the bloodstream, the brain, and even our genes. Today we're diving into what really happens inside the human body when we drink alcohol, its metabolism, its neurological effects, its toxicity, and the surprising ways it can alter the chemistry of life itself. Before we get too deep into this topic, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. This will help bring the truth about health and healing to the thousands of people who need to hear this message. Now back to the episode. Ethanol, the alcohol we drink, is a small, water-soluble molecule that easily crosses biological membranes. Its size and polarity allow it to slip through cell membranes, the blood-brain barrier, and virtually every tissue compartment in the body. But despite its cultural familiarity, ethanol is classified as a central nervous system depressant, a hepatotoxin, and a carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC. Alcohol is one of the fastest absorbed molecules we consume. 20% is absorbed in the stomach, 80% in the small intestine. From there, it enters the bloodstream and is rapidly distributed to tissues rich in water, especially the brain. Factors that affect absorption: stomach contents, food slows absorption; carbonation, speeds absorption; biological sex, women have lower gastric ADH activity; body composition, within minutes, ethanol begins altering neural signaling. Here is where the real biochemistry begins. Step 1. Alcohol dehydrogenase, ADH. In the liver and stomach, ADH converts ethanol to acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is highly reactive and toxic, capable of forming adducts with DNA and proteins. Step 2. Aldehyde dehydrogenase, ALDH2. Acetaldehyde to acetate, a less toxic molecule. Asian populations commonly carry the ALDH2 variant, reducing their ability to process acetaldehyde, causing flushing, tachycardia, and increased cancer risk. Step 3. Acetate to acetyl-CoA. Acetyl-CoA then enters the citric acid cycle, ketogenesis pathways, lipogenesis, fat creation. This is why alcohol consumption increases hepatic fat accumulation. The Muñoz system, microsomal ethanol oxidizing system. At higher intake, the liver activates CYP2E1, a pathway that produces reactive oxygen species, increases oxidative stress, upregulates with chronic drinking, tolerance. This is also the pathway that makes mixing alcohol with acetaminophen dangerous due to toxic metabolite accumulation. Alcohol affects nearly every neurotransmitter system. GABA. Ethanol enhances GABA-A receptor function, leading to sedation, reduced anxiety, impaired motor coordination. Glutamate. It inhibits NMDA receptors, leading to memory blackout states and impaired learning. Dopamine. Stimulates dopamine in the nucleus accumbens, leading to reinforcement and addictive behavior. Serotonin alters mood, impulsivity, and appetite regulation. Endogenous opioids activation contributes to euphoria, hence why naltrexone reduces cravings. Acute versus chronic use, short-term relaxation, lowered inhibitions. Long-term reduced neuroplasticity, thiamine deficiency to Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, altered stress response, accelerated brain volume loss. Alcohol is uniquely capable of rewiring reward circuits even with moderate consumption. The liver is the battleground. Stage 1, fatty liver, steatosis, occurs in over 90% of people who drink heavily, reversible within weeks of abstinence. Stage 2, alcoholic hepatitis, inflammation, oxidative stress, mitochondrial damage. Stage 3, fibrosis leading to cirrhosis. The liver attempts to heal but forms scar tissue. Once cirrhosis develops, the damage is largely irreversible. Mechanisms: NAD plus depletion leading to impaired fatty acid oxidation, increased ROS leading to mitochondrial dysfunction, acetaldehyde adducts leading to impaired protein synthesis, dysbiosis in the gut leading to increased endotoxin burden. Alcohol also increases intestinal permeability, leaky gut, allowing bacterial toxins to reach the liver via the portal vein. Alcohol alters hormonal signaling across the body. Cortisol raises stress hormone output, leading to increases in abdominal fat deposition. Insulin and glucose hypoglycemia can occur due to impaired gluconeogenesis. Chronic drinking increases insulin resistance. Sex hormones in men reduce testosterone. In women, increased estrogen levels. This contributes to cancer risk and reproductive dysfunction. Alcohol suppresses innate and adaptive immunity by reducing neutrophil function, impairing macrophage activity, lowering lymphocyte production, increasing inflammation through gut endotoxin leakage. This increases susceptibility to infection, including pneumonia, tuberculosis, and viral illness. Here are the long-term health risks: liver cirrhosis, cardiomyopathy, pancreatitis, cancers, breast, colon, liver, esophagus, dementia, peripheral neuropathy, fetal alcohol spectrum disorders. The World Health Organization states that no level of alcohol is completely risk-free, and risk increases dose-dependently. Alcohol is not just a beverage. It is a biochemical agent that reshapes metabolism, neurochemistry, and cellular health. Understanding its effects empowers us to make informed decisions rooted in physiology, not culture. Whether someone chooses abstinence or moderation, knowledge is the foundation of self-care. If you found today's breakdown of alcohol's biochemical effects helpful, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs clarity, not fear. Science is empowerment, and together we're building a community grounded in knowledge, health, and human potential. For more information about our clinic, please go to drvictoriamuñoz.com or see link in description below. We have helped thousands of people regain their health and vitality, and we can help you. Join us next time for another deep dive into the complex world of medical science. I am Dr. Victoria Muñoz. Until next time, take care.